You know it's the boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again, and people hope you can hear because the breeze probably kinda distorted, you know what I mean? But as you see, me a forward from work, forward off 9 to 5, and as me go so booms and clock out and take up the phone, me see a shocking photo of Spice. Yes, Spice. Yo, John was star. Spice White. Spice under the black girl what we know. The dark chocolate skin girl what we know. I love what people when me want to do, want to tell me phone of views. Why you think the Spice really bleach or do that to our skin? Or you feel like it's a new stunt? You feel like say Spice just want tap in at the international market, and you know say there's a particular saying that say to get in at the international market certain way, you have to bleach your skin. You have to not necessarily bleach your skin, but you have a particular color. Not necessarily like my color, like Sean Paul and them color there. You see me and Shensi, you notice how Shensi are brown and Shensi a thing. I take off away easily. You see me, I will just see one little hiccup Shensi have on the Vibes Cartel something. Alright, I know Vibes Cartel and Shensi are good. You see it? So me want you to tell me what really are going if you know a pray that's something they too. Won't really a pray. Alright, me I go to my views on it. Me I go to my take on it. You see black? Alright, before me go to my views. Some might say it unfair because you have a lot of male dancehall artists with bleach. See? So you have Vibes Cartel bleach, Alkaline did a bleach, Elephant Man bleach. A lot of people bleach, you see me? You have a portion of people bleach in the entertainment industry. And people never really pre them certain way. But for a female I know, I go some booms and bleach. And if you know if it's Spice, I go some booms and bleach, it all look a weird daddy. Oh, that really I go look. Yeah man, you have to look left and right before you cross, you see me? As I tell you, say, hurt me a forward from. You see me? And I go home, but we see it and we are talking about it right now. You see me? So, I don't really know what going on. Alright, back to the topic I'm there talk about. About people bleach. Nothing come out tight. But Spice, this is Spice a bleach. Remember say Spice reach so far, you know. Spice reach far, far, far with her complexion. Everybody did like her complexion. Nothing ever really wrong with her complexion. To me, it worked for her because the blackness take her go Hip Hop LA Atlanta, the TV show there. You see me? And it get her 1 million followers on IG. She one of the first Jamaican to get 1 million followers on IG. So the big question is, why Mama Spice bleach? Why Mama Spice change her whole complexion, her whole image? Me no know. I don't know. But as I tell you, one of the theory is that probably she want to tap in at the international market. And probably she feels if reach in at the international market, she have to be brown like Shaggy and Sean Paul them. And that me feel. You see me? But when I want to do still, I want to comment in the comment section and tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me if you feel like say she should have bleach. Tell me if you feel like say yo, you approve her bleachness. I don't know if she bleach. I don't know. You just tell me in the comment section. Because right now that topic is the hot topic. It a burn up social media. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And probably later, I go to our next update when I find out everything what go on. But as I tell you, hurt me a forward from. I see it and I say, may I shot it. Only hope you know I hear good. Cause the breeze terrible boy. I'm out. Oh people, like the video man, share the video man, subscribe, Zane, subscribe, sub.